Barakah Nuclear Power Plant.
This is the Nuclear Peaceful Energy Corporation. Here we have this nuclear that we are using to produce electricity. We got in Barakah, which is the area that this nuclear program is in. We have 4 units in Barakah, and each single unit provide us with 1,400 megawatt per day. After the completion of the 4 units, we will be covering the need of UAE electricity by 25%. Hopefully it would be by next month. So this is the nuclear program, and as you see, this only is a demo for 2, but we have in Barakah 4 units. That is, 3 of them are currently operated, and the last one will be operated by next month.
This whole unit, 1 unit, how many years is life?
So the year of each unit is 60 years plus. So it depends on the preservation of the equipment. If we are looking at the equipment reliability, we could increase it from 60 to extra 20 years.
And other electric sources, from you have any here project for the air also, or from the
So mainly our focus is only on the nuclear peaceful program. After the completion, we would be going out to see the opportunities and looking for the research and development of the other ideas around the nuclear program.